Hello, you are welcome in this video, and this video is related how we can work on the neighborhood boundaries. And when you will open this map, it's confusing. So first of all, you just uncheck all the data. Then you can look at it that this is Alimosho, and these are the wards given here. These wards are having the health facilities, okay, but you will find there is no neighborhood given so far. So what I discussed with Dr. Yakubu, the local information is very important to work on like neighborhood boundaries. So you can uh, do it one by one. So first you can take this word here and you can zoom in. And when you are working with word, there is high probability that this word can be dragged or maybe dislocated because of the work you are doing. So when you are activated with the words, do not click and move the word. Otherwise, this word will move to another location. So when you are activated, this blue line will give you indication that you are activated with ward or you are activated with health facility or you are activated with the neighborhood. So when you are activated with neighborhood, then use your pencil or the tool. So what you can do is this is the word you have, and to work on this word, you see when I moved it, this word has also moved. So what you will do, you will do undo here. It will go to its own location, or because word boundaries are not important here, word boundaries will only helping you to make the neighborhood boundaries. So just for your safety, what you can do is you can click here and you can export your data as KML. Use second option, then download. So when you will do this, then you have the word. In case you have done some mistake here, in case it is deleted also, then also what you can do, you can add the layer here. One layer will be added, then you can import the the words which you have saved. So I mean, you will not lose your data, you will have your data. Okay, so you can have, before you work, you can make a backup file, then export KML. Use second option, just download the data in your computer, so your data is saved. I mean, so in case if there is something wrong, then you can remove this data and you can add your the data which you have the backup. So the words we have, and what is required is, yes, remember, okay. Remember one thing, if you can give some information related to, I mean, because you are dealing with the LGA, you have the information of the word. Then when you will click here, there are three options given. One is development level. The development level here is from 1 to 10. You think that this word is highly developed, you can give 10. You think that this word is very least developed, you can give the 1, like this. So this is a kind of qualitative data which can give us the information, the level of the development of this particular word. Similarly, zero dose level, you can give 1, 2, 3. Zero dose level 3, is something which is high vulnerable. Zero dose level 1 is less vulnerable. Zero dose level, development level 1 to 9 means low to high. Zero dose level, zero dose is high means 3. Zero dose is okay, medium. 2. Zero dose 1, there is less problem. So 3 will give you an idea of high problem. And here the zero dose expected. So this is, I mean, the data is not very much, but we need to know that what is your idea, how many zero dose may be here in this ward. There should be an idea when you go to the ward, you look at it, then you have some idea, okay, as many zero dose may be here. So this information is useful based on your field observation. So these three information you can give using the word boundaries. And then I'm coming to the neighborhood part. When you will move up here, this is the neighborhood. So neighborhood boundary is the boundary uh, which divides the ward into different parts or micro regions based on some characteristics like the similar characteristics inside the neighborhood boundary. Because if you look at this word, you'll realize that there is something which is different. So what you can do is you can click this here, and when you will click, this blue line will come to neighborhood. It may be changed. When you will click this, word boundary is blue. So please take care. Here you choose the neighborhood. Choose the neighborhood. Still you see this is, so you can click here. Then you can choose the neighborhood here. And then when you choose the neighborhood, you take this tool, line tool, add line, and then if you think that okay, this is one neighborhood, this is one neighborhood here, and you can double click. Your line will be added under the neighborhood. Okay. The same you can do, okay, here. Again, you can take the line, and then do not make a gap just for connection. You can start from here. So okay, you can make another point, sorry, another line. You can use your mouse scroller to move, or you can use the arrow key also. So if you think that this is second neighborhood, you, you okay, you click here. Okay, so the word is word will be divided into neighborhood. Okay? Don't worry about the line which is moving. Do not take this line to another so long. Just cut it. The boundary should be cut here. And inside this boundary should also touch each other. When you will click this, maybe you can, you see, take care. When you click here, the word boundary will also be activated, may also be activated. So before you do, just activate your neighborhood boundary, and then zoom out, and then you can go and you can take, yes, be sure that this blue line is here, neighborhood. Then you choose the draw line, and then this also you can cut to another neighborhood. Double click and save it. Okay, so this is the way you can cut the ward boundaries into neighborhood. So when you are clicking and the ward boundary is catched in your click, then ward boundaries will be activated. So when you are editing the wards or you are making the neighborhood boundaries, your neighborhood area section should be highlighted this blue color. So you have done like this. Okay. In this process, what is important is what we believe is your information is the most important information, because you go to the ward, you look at all the characteristics of the ward, then you can give us some neighborhood boundaries based on the characteristics of the locality. I mean, inside, based on the neighborhood. If you think that this neighborhood has some significance, should be considered as a neighborhood, then you can make that neighborhood. So first be confirmed that this is blue light, a blue line here. Then you can go to the line, and then when you make this neighborhood, be sure that it does not have a gap. You can take inside also, and then you can make this as a neighborhood. So once this data is created, it will help you to demonstrate the work you are doing. Demonstration may be to the local authority, LGA chairman, or inspection team, that they can be sure that okay, the work is something practical which can be used at the field. So with this application, there are two important tasks. One, how we can delineate the neighborhood boundaries, and second is here, if this is a ward, any ward, so in that ward you click and you can uh, click at edit, and then you can give development level 1 to 10. 10 is highest, 1 is the least. 0 dose level, 1 is least, and 3 is high, and 2 is medium. And what do you think that in this ward, how many 0 dose children are there? If you think the number of 0 dose children expected are 200, you write 200. This is at ward level, okay? Because uh, this idea is uh, maybe given by you uh, better than another people. So this is the way you can do the work. Whatever the work you will do, it will save automatically. And here these are the health facilities. When you draw or when you make the neighborhood boundaries, you can look at the health facilities here, and then based on your understanding, you can divide a ward into 4, 5, 6, 7 neighborhoods. So these neighborhoods will be our primary block to estimate the population and the children's below 1. So your data will be helping. These lines will help me to work on the software which I'm working with. So this was about this video. Maybe when you do the work, you will have the challenges. Then you can discuss with this WhatsApp group the challenges you have. The only challenge what I am thinking is will I mean, the important challenge will be that when you will do the work, these word boundaries may move here and there. So if you are doing like this, the mistake may be one or two times, three times. But as you think, okay, oh, I did this mistake, you make it back, okay? You make it back. Yes. So this was about this video. Hope you will do it. Thank you so much.